5 best central vacuum system reviews. Number 1. Prolux CV12000 Central Vacuum Unit System. Considered possibly one of the most if not the most powerful central system vacuum cleaner in North America, the Prolux CV12000 is a contraption that can do wonders for a large home of up to 12,000 square feet. Hence its name. The fact that this model can cover the needs of such large a home is owed to the fact that it comes with a mighty 150 CFM motor, which can be operated at 2 speeds. This motor is housed in the extra durable powder-coated steel body, which will ensure this vacuum cleaner will last for a long time and never get broken. From the outside, at least, if something should go wrong with this vacuuming system, however, you should understand that this model fares well in the department of warranty. For example, the motor itself is secured by a hefty 10-year warranty, while the aforementioned steel body is warranted to last at least 25 years. So, buying this model from Prolux can be considered a long-lasting investment. Number 2. AVO, Powerful Central Vacuum Cleaner. Rocking the appearance of a water heater, and power of one of the strongest domestic vacuum cleaners out there, this AVO Central Vacuum Cleaner contraption can do wonders for everyone interested enough in purchasing it and drilling their walls to use it. This model comes with a mighty 2-stage motor, which is capable of producing more than enough power to make this contraption into a high-efficiency cleaning tool that can function with equal results in all rooms of your house. Similarly to the product above, this mighty motor is also protected by a heavy-duty steel body, so you can rest assured that this motor won't be compromised by any external damages, so to speak. One of the more interesting innovations with this model that the folks from AVO decided to include would be the rather clever soft stop feature. Number 3. AVO, Large Capacity Hybrid 700 Airwatts System Power Unit. If you liked the product from above, we're going to tickle your imagination with a similar deal, this time with some additional equipment, like a cherry on top. So, for the main part, this product at AVO looks the same as the central vacuum cleaning system from above. The only difference would be the fact that this vacuum cleaner comes with more attachments and additions than the product from above. Together with this central vacuum cleaner, you're going to get a special bundle of accessories including top air intake, a plug-in, as well as a bottom-load easy-to-remove canister. All of these are designed to make your contraption easier to control and maneuver when it comes to setting it up and using it in case you've already owned one or more central vacuum cleaners in the past. Number 4. HP Products 9880 Dura Devil Central Vacuum System. Featuring a simple construction and a powerful HEPA filter, this model from HP represents one of the best central vacuum systems for medium to small homes and folks working with a smaller budget. What makes it so desirable would be the fact that this thing comes with a decent build at a reasonable price, so you can use it for many different uses whenever you feel like it. Its dust cap capacity amounts to something like 1 gallon, which is more than enough to enable you to vacuum clean your entire house without ever being forced to empty it in the meantime. Other than this amenity, so to speak, there's also the hose length, which can be expanded from 7 feet to 35 feet, depending on how much of it you need for the cleaning task at hand. Number 5. Allegro, MU4500 Champion. A tough steel construction, a powerful 2-stage fan system, as well as a powerful motor makes this model a great centralized cleaning contraption that can take care of a wide variety of messes on multiple surfaces. Responsible for giving this central vacuum cleaner system its power is the mighty 2-stage motor, which produces some 600 air watts and about 1,855 regular watts. Included in this package are also the items you'll need to make this thing viable as a central vacuum system. This would include a noise-dampening exhaust muffler, which will ensure you can use this vacuuming system during the night, for example, without your neighbors calling the police on you. Among other items in this deal, you'll also get a 30-foot electric hose as well as an electric power head, so you can rest assured that this thing will work wonders on a wide variety of surfaces. Also, there's a non-scratch cleaning tool set, which you can use to clean the vacuum cleaner and its parts after you've used them for a while.